good? Welcome back. Hey. I don't know why I'm so hyped today, but guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexus Hair. I started wilding. But today I am back and I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite natural hair routines. I am a very lazy natural. That's number one. Number two, I've started working out a little bit more, so it's really hard to maintain and keep up with my hair, especially because, you know, with all the sweat and all of that, you already know how that goes if you work out. So this hair routine that I do is very sweat and workout friendly, and lately I've liked to wear my hair in more of a fro-y type of look and not so much all about definition. So I'm going to show you guys the steps to get your hair that way, and I'm going to show you how it goes. It's pretty easy. It's just what I've gotten into lately, like I said, especially because I've been working out. I am going to be trying 2 new products today, and then I'm going to be using one of my staple products that I love to use when I do this style. So the 2 products that we're going to be trying today are from Esha. You guys know Esha for the Esha Lace Wig Glue. They recently came out with a natural hair product, or 2 natural hair products. So the first one is the Rosaroma Therapy Leave-In Conditioner and Soothing Spray, and it has rose essential oil, meadow foam seed oil, and organic argan oil. This is what it looks like. It is considered aromatherapy, and it's very good for thermal protection. So if you want to use this before heat styling, you can do that as well. So this is going to be one of the products that I use today. And the next one is the Rosa Aromatherapy Organic Essential Oil Blend for hair, skin, and aromatherapy. The essential oil promotes hair and skin health. It increases blood circulation. Blood circulation equals hair growth, period. So I will be using these 2 products from Esha, but I also will be using my favorite, one of my favorite conditioners, and this is the Ouidad Vita Curl Balancing Rinse Conditioner. I know it says rinse conditioner, but naturals never follow the directions anyway, so yeah. This is what the Ouidad conditioner looks like. I actually got this big jug for $5, and if you have ever even looked at trying to buy any Ouidad products, you know that they cost a lot of money, but it was on sale at Ulta, and they're also cheaper on Amazon. So if I can find a link, I will link that in the Amazon link below. All right, so my hair is freshly, I don't want to say washed, rinsed out. Once again, I'm a lazy natural, so don't judge me. I recently had the same fro style that I'm getting ready to show you guys. Sometimes I just mix and match and try out different products to see what works best. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. So I just rinsed out the conditioner that I used the last time, and we're gonna get started on this. So my hair is freshly rinsed out, so it's probably drying up a little bit, but I do have my spray bottle. So this is what the 2 products look like out of the box. All right, so first I'm going to take my hair out of this pony or bun, whatever. Oh my gosh, I always get my hair ties stuck. Okay, so here's my hair fresh out or whatever. So first thing I'm going to do is part off this back section here. And this method is ultimately my favorite because, like I said, it's very workout friendly. So after styling it the way I want to, and just while I'm waiting for my hair to dry, I work out. Usually I work out in the mornings, so when I go to style my hair, this way, I usually do it the night before or the day before, especially if I'm not going anywhere. So I will style my hair this way. The next morning I'll get up, work out, get in the shower, and continue on my day. I normally don't even take out my hair unless I plan on going somewhere, and then when I do take out my hair, by the time I do, my sweat and everything is all dried up, and I just put some oil on my scalp and keep it moving. And then, like I said, I'm not really into definition styles right now. I don't know what I'm going through. I'm kind of feeling the fro look, so this is very easy for me and easy to keep up with and I probably do this every 4 days, because the last time I did my hair was Sunday. I did my hair on Sunday, and today is Friday. So once I take out the twist the first time, you can always go back and twist your hair back up if you like. But after I took my twist out, I just go to sleep with the pineapple, work out with the pineapple, and when I get in the shower, I put a satin cap over the pineapple, and then I take it off, shake it out, put some more oil in my hands, and run it through my hair, you know, on the end, so my hair is not dry or anything like that, and then my fro looks brand new. Now that I have my 2 sections here, I'm going to first go in with the Esha Rosaroma Therapy Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I'm gonna spray that on this section real good, and just run that through my hair. This piece of hair, okay. And for this style, I normally don't even use any type of brush, comb, anything. I just finger detangle. Okay, and one thing I can say, because this is really my initial thoughts about this product, it kind of feels like I'm spraying water on my hair, but I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it kind of is foaming up a little bit, as if I put like foam in my hair. So that's pretty cool. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my We Dad conditioner, and I'm only using this much, putting that on my hands, rubbing it in my hands, and putting that through the section. And I try to do this like when I do take my showers at nighttime. I do try to do this like while my hair is still soaking wet. But if you wash your hair in the sink, then you could do this whatever time of day. But I just try to do it whenever I just wash my hair in the shower. So that's through the section. Then I'm going to use some of the Rosaroma Therapy oil. Okay, y'all, so I think my pumper is broke. Oh, wow. So I just took the top out, and I'm just gonna take some of that on my hands. And when I do finish out my twist, I am gonna put some of this on my scalp as well. Aromatherapy stuff is like really good for headaches and migraines and stress and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna put that on my scalp a little bit too, because why not try it out? Okay, so next up, take this big section, split it into 2, and create a twist. And yeah. I don't do a lot of twists because it's not necessary. I told you guys I don't really care for the definition for this style. So I do pretty chunky twists. Only section that I pretty much do like a couple more than normal is the middle section. The middle section of my hair is like super thick. So twirl the end and on to the next section. We're gonna use the same method around the whole entire head, and then I'm gonna go on about my day. And whenever my hair dries, whoa, I just sprayed that right in my mouth. Whenever my hair dries, I will come back and basically show you guys how I get my hair to be as big and fluffy as I like it. If you guys have been watching me for a while, when I first went natural, I did a lot of wash and goes with just strictly conditioner. So this is normal for me, and I just like it better. Sometimes I use leave-in conditioners, like cream leave-in conditioners, but right now conditioners have my heart. So once we put that in there, we get our oil, run it through, and this oil like smooths out your hair so much. It feels so good. And I make sure to get it on my ends real good, because you know, colored hair needs to be moisturized even more. It needs to be as moisturized as it can be. So then you get into your twist. Just make sure that the hair is smoothed out while you're twisting. And I do a method where I like stick my thumb through the section that I'm finna twist over, just to make sure there's no like tangles or anything in there. All right guys, so I am finished. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 twists in my head, and this is what they look like. Okay. And I just work out. I go to sleep with these. I'll put them in a bonnet or in a ponytail to stretch them out a little bit if I feel like it. Sometimes I don't, and that's fine too. Either way, we're still gonna get the fro look, so I kind of just let this dry. By the time I get out the shower, get dressed and stuff like that, my roots are pretty dry, and then I just take it out, fluff, and go on about my day. If you don't have any bangs, this process will probably be easier for you, but because I have like front bangs, like in my curly cut, my front twists are thinner at the bottom because I have bang in there plus hair from back here that's longer. So the longer hair is like in here, but I didn't want to do too many small twists because I didn't want it to be like super defined. So I always just put the bang in with one of like some hair from the back too. And as you guys can see, I clearly need my ends clipped too. It's been a minute. That little end piece right there is driving me nuts. But hopefully I go up to the shop and get it trimmed soon. But yeah, so if you don't have any bangs, then your twist will look like this all around. But yeah, so like my bang probably ends about right here in the twist, and then the longer part is from like some of the hair that goes on the side. So yeah, but this is the part that frames my face. Quick side note on these products though, before I get up. The leave-in conditioner, this is really good for a detangler. Even though it seems like it's just spray, it really does help get through the hair. As you see, I didn't use any type of hair tools today. I just used my fingers, and this made it really easy to get through my hair, especially because I hadn't detangled prior. And then the oil, I feel like I would have enjoyed it more if my pumper wasn't broke, but it is. But I just took the little top part out and put it on my hands that way. And I love like thick oils that are kind of like serum. The smell though, it can be very strong if you use too much. But once my hair dries, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this serum to my hair to fluff. But yeah, let's just wait it out and see how this comes out. So this is, like I said, a really cute twist out. And I seen a YouTuber post, she posted on Instagram, Rose, and she was like, don't you hate when you have a set style in your head and then you take it out and it looks really cute, but this isn't how I was gonna style it. So I'm gonna continue, but I'm gonna sit here and look cute for 2 seconds because let's just enjoy how nice this twist out did come out. Alright, so now that we've taken the blow dryer to the hair, now it's time for the fluffity fluff fluff fluff. As the days go on, of course my hair gets bigger and bigger, but I just been loving the fro crazy look, so I just go in and go wild with the pick. This, my friends, is it. You can either wear it in this style if you have curly bangs. If you don't, you could just pin it up. And I don't care about frizz. If you guys can't tell, like, I just like my hair to be big. Yeah, this may be wild for some people, so you can do your little side part, middle part thing, but like I said, this big style is for me now. So you can leave it here or change it up. Or find a way you want to flip it and wear it in a big side, like it's like a side swoop joint, but it's not really a side part. And it has definition, but it still kind of looks like I got up and just, like I just kind of got up and go. But this is my like lazy fro routine, especially like I said. This is very easy for me to do with working out and stuff like that. So, and this is basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my lazy but fitness and workout friendly fro. I love you guys.